Could there be an easy trick to uncover suspicious charges lurking in your GnuCash after a QFX import? Let's find out. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today we're exploring how to spot questionable charges in GnuCash after importing a QFX file. Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So in summary, someone's dealing with a big pile of paper receipts and trying to match them with transactions in GnuCash. They've imported these transactions from a QFX file, but the tricky part is they want to quickly approve each one without typing them all out. They're wondering if there's a smarter way to do this, maybe by tweaking the R column or the import process to make things more efficient. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. One response points out that using the reconcile feature helps match account transactions with monthly statements. It suggests entering a temporary final amount during reconciliation, updating it later, and focusing on any unchecked transactions that need attention. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. All right, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. When using GnuCash, it's really helpful to use the reconcile feature. This way, you can match your receipts with transactions by checking them off as you confirm each one. You might also want to use the notes column to tag confirmed transactions with something simple like OK. Once all receipts are processed, just review any untagged transactions, as these might be the ones that need a closer look. So, in this video, we've covered how to use GnuCash's reconcile feature to efficiently match receipts with transactions. As each receipt is confirmed, transactions are checked off, and a simple OK tag in the notes column helps track them, leaving unmarked ones for further investigation. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.